जोधपुर, यहाँ के गलियां भले ही छोटे हो बट लोगों का दिल बहुत बड़ा।
ये भारतवर्ष में 3 मंदिर हैं जो ज्वालामुखी नाम से प्रचलित हैं।
The Bluecity was always in our bucket list.
And why not? Being an Indian, city like Jodhpur is our pride of culture and history. चलिए घूमते हैं मारवाड़ के ब्रह्मपुरी। Hello friends, welcome to ClickAtale. Who are new to our channel, I am Dipmala and behind the camera Sribash and there is my daughter Tinni. Guess where we are? Yeah. So this is a long awaited trip.
And finally we made it.
People often think long trip with baby or toddlers are very difficult to manage. Well, we have different experience and opinion. तो चलते चलते बताते हैं how we planned out this long trip with our 2 years old baby. So keep watching.
In this video we will cover what is the best time to visit Jodhpur, where you can stay, hotel prices and the type of stay available.
Also we will show you how you can explore the Bluecity Brhmapuri. Welcome to Jodhpur. So today is the third day of our trip and we have just reached Jodhpur and this is Rajmandir Boutique. चलिए दिखाते हैं रूम कैसा है, पहले एक बार देख लेते हैं then we'll start. This room which we have booked called family suite and it cost around 2400 per night.
And this is one of the most budget friendly heritage stay in the heart of the city. If you are new to our channel and have not subscribed ClickAtale yet,
please do subscribe and share it with your friends to know more about such family travel stories, tricks and trips to plan your travel with a small baby. Come. Let me show you the balcony. Mom, come here. Oh, and come this side. That is the fort.
night view from here is amazing if the fort lights are on.
This beautiful place where we are staying, its name is Rajmandir Boutique homestay. It's a very nice homestay. It's a almost 250 years old building. Rooms are very nice and you can see the fort, backside of the fort from the rooftop and even from your terrace.
वैसे तो जोधपुर में there are a lot of luxury palace hotels like Radisson, Ajit Palace, Ratan Palace and lot more. But if you like to stay in a heritage homestay, then this is the best we found.
I'm enjoying the stay. There is a small park as well. I will show you, but his name is Harry. He's not right now here. I'll show you once he's there. So today's plan is that we are right now. It's almost 8:30 in the morning. We have planned to leave at 8, but we got late. So right now we are planning that at it's almost 8:30. We are waiting for our auto rickshaw. भैया तब तक देखते हैं तिन्नी और हैरी क्या कर रही है।
এবারে চোখে লাগলে দেবে তোমাকে ঘ্যাক করে একটা। आ जाओ, आ गया विवेक भैया।
चलिए घुमाते हैं आपको जोधपुर। We will start our day trip with Ranisar Lake in Brhmapuri and then we will explore the Bluecity. This is month of February and it's quite hot and sunny. So Tinni is wearing light clothes today, and we are also carrying ample of water to keep her hydrated throughout the day.
You can explore Bluecity by your own, but we prefer to go with Tuk Tuk. Tuk Tuk driver Vivek is a great guide. This Tuk Tuk will cost around 600 per day, which I felt quite cheap.
आइए मैडम।
देखिए
Ranisar Lake. Ranisar में इंटर करते ही you can feel it's so calm and peaceful here. Amazing atmosphere. It's definitely a right start of a day. Plan for early morning visit to avoid crowd. Ranisar and Padmasar are twin lakes which are interconnected and just beside the Mehrangarh fort. These talabs are huge and one can pass several moments sitting here. There is no entry fee. So this is Ranisar Taleb. You can see there are staples and there is a temple. So you can go downstairs as there is a temple. Below this building there are rooms which where during summer people can stay over there because ये नीचे है तो इसमें ठंडा होता है room, so people can stay over there. And ये 9 बजे बंद हो जाता है, so you have to come before that.
ऐसी पतली पतली गलियां है, बाइक के अलावा पैदल भी आदमी आ सकता है।
हाँ सही सुना आपने, जोधपुर की गलियाँ बहुत ही पतली पतली है,
बट लोगों का दिल बहुत बड़ा है, and that's why they says पधारो मारे देश। People out here are so warm and happily invite you to their houses that you will surely feel the connect here. Here is one of those beautiful guests who have invited us for tea with a tour of their house and culture.
कितना क्यूट है ना।
हाँ দেখেছিস মা চারপাশে everything is blue and ওই দেখ that's the Mehrangarh fort। पता है ये सिटी का हर घर ब्लू क्यों है? When the Mehrangarh fort was built, all the Brahmins were called from different part of the India and request them to help in different work to build the fort, and they were given this place to stay. That's why this place is also called as Brhmapuri. During summer they realized that this is very hot and they were looking for solution to reduce the hot, and that's where they have started to paint these walls in blue.
जोधपुर में खाने के ऑप्शंस तो बहुत है, बट कंसिडरिंग आफ्टरनून हीट वी वेर प्रेफरिंग टू हैव आवर लंच एट होटल रूम ओनली.
So we will suggest when you are traveling with baby, avoid the afternoon for roaming around and give this time to your baby as a rest.
Now we are heading towards the most difficult part of today's city walk to enjoy the mesmerizing sunset.
To reach here, you need to climb up, and this is a steep climb. But I'm sure you will forget your tiredness once you reach the top.
Don't miss it. However, it's better to avoid if you have knee problem. See, Tinne is super excited to reach the top before us.
Go, 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 go. I'm going. Go. I'm coming. Come. Slowly now. This place is called Jwalamukhi Devi Temple. Such a beautiful place it is. You can have a bird's eye view of the entire Brhmapuri here. Feel the blue. ये भीम कुंड है, भीम का नाम से खुदा हुआ और ये बहुत डीप भी है। बोला जाता है 100 हाथी मतलब 1 elephant and 1/4 elephant deep है। If you are planning to visit Jodhpur, then you must visit during December to Feb. That's the best time to explore Jodhpur in a pleasant weather.
मंदिर है ना, ये बहुत ही प्राचीन मंदिर है। ये भारतवर्ष में 3 मंदिर हैं जो ज्वालामुखी नाम से प्रचलित है।
अच्छा।
एक तो हिमाचल में है, एक जोधपुर में है, एक जैसलमेर में। ये 3 जगहों पे ज्वालामुखी माता के नाम से मंदिर है। ये जोधपुर का मंदिर भी महाभारत काल से बहुत पुराना मंदिर है, प्राचीन से।
अच्छा, महाभारत काल के टाइम का है।
हाँ। और इसमें जो माता जी का ये स्वरूप जो है ना, ये प्राकट्य मूर्ति है, स्वयंभू है।
स्वयंभू, ओके।
हाँ, ये प्रकट हुआ है। माता जी का ये स्टेचू बनाया हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन इसको भगवान ने अपना स्वरूप खुद ने यहाँ से प्रकट किया है।
ओह, और ये जो बाघ है साथ में, ये क्या उनका?
ये शेर तो माँ की सवारी है ना।
शेर, हाँ।
ये जो बाहर वाला शेर है, ये शेर माँ के साथ में प्रकट हुआ था।
अच्छा।
ये शेर जो है माता जी के साथ में आया था। ये मूर्ति जो है, ये पहाड़ के अंदर का एरिया। ये सिर्फ इधर पहाड़ था और कुछ नहीं था। इधर 16 टील था, इधर टीला हुआ पहाड़ी का एरिया था। जोधपुर को स्थापित हुए 500 साल हुए, लेकिन ये मंदिर है महाभारत काल से, उस समय का प्राचीन मंदिर है।
अच्छा।
ये मंदिर का बाहर का जो पोजीशन है 1795 में बना है।
तो ये साल में हर दिन पूजा होता है या कभी?
365 दिन पूजा होती है इधर।
कोई दिन स्पेशली बड़ा करके पूजा होता है?
नवरात्र में रहता है।
नवरात्र में।
हाँ।
अच्छा।
नवरात्र में रहता है। माता जी का जो स्थापित दिवस है जो आता है, वो आता है राधा अष्टमी का दिन आता है, या पाठोत्सव होता है उससे।
Best time to visit this temple is obviously the sunset. The last view of the Bluecity. तो कैसा लगा आपको Bluecity? I hope you like this video. And इसी के साथ हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे ख़त्म करते हैं. We'll meet in some other trip videos. For the last time, the entire Bluecity here. I hope you have liked our video. Please subscribe our channel, ClickAtale and hit on the bell button so that आपको ऐसा और भी videos का update मिलता रहे. Stay safe, be happy and travel more.